Welcome back to Fluent English Power. If you've made it to part 2, you're serious about understanding native English speakers, and that's awesome.
Yeah, shout out to everyone still listening. We covered a lot in part 1, connected speech, listening to rhythm, and shadowing, but now we're going deeper.
Today's all about training your brain like a native. Mason and I are going to give you strategies, tools, and real daily habits that actually work. Step 4. Use real-life English, not textbook English.
Here's a game changer. Stop learning from scripts that don't match how people really talk.
Right? Native speakers don't say things like, "Hello, how do you do?" They say, "Hey, what's up?" or "Yo, how's it going?"
So here's the tip. Immerse yourself in real English. Start watching YouTubers, streamers, podcasts, even TikToks, stuff made by Americans for Americans.
One of my favorite channels is daily vlogs. They're unscripted, real, and packed with natural expressions.
Same. And if you want to understand fast speech, check out stand-up comedy clips or reaction videos. They move fast, but they're fun, and your brain starts to adapt.
Step 5. Focus on meaning, not just words. Let me ask you something, Mason. Do you understand every single word when you're watching a fast podcast or someone mumbling?
Nope. And I'm a native speaker, but I catch the meaning. That's the trick.
Exactly. If you miss a word or two, it doesn't matter. Listen for the emotion, the intention, the point of the message.
Let's try something. I'll say something kind of fast and casual. Try to catch the meaning. So I was like, yeah, no way I'm going out tonight. It's freezing, dude.
Even if you missed a few words, you got the message, right? He's not going out. It's cold.
Boom. That's how you train. Focus on the story, the situation, the reaction, not just the grammar.
Step 6. Use subtitles and transcripts smartly. Okay, let's get a little technical. Using subtitles isn't cheating if you use them right.
Totally agree. Here's how I do it if I were learning English. Watch once without subtitles, watch again with English subtitles, then rewind key parts, pause, repeat out loud.
That repetition is gold. Your ears and mouth work together, and soon those fast phrases won't feel so fast anymore.
There's a cool site called youglish.com where you can type a phrase and hear hundreds of real clips using it.
Also, Netflix has a browser extension called Language Reactor that lets you slow down native speech and see dual subtitles. Amazing for training. Step 7. Build a 10-minute daily routine.
All right, now it's time to talk habits, because understanding fast English isn't magic. It's daily practice.
So, Mason, if someone has just 10 minutes a day, what should they do?
Here's my go-to mini routine. Minute 1 to 3, pick a native clip, YouTube, podcast, etc. Minute 4 to 5, listen once, try to understand the idea. Minute 6 to 7, listen again with subtitles. Minute 8 to 9, repeat out loud, shadow 3 to 5 lines. Minute 10, relax and let your brain soak it in.
Simple, repeatable, and powerful. Practice session, real-life drill. All right, time to practice with our viewers. Mason, I'll play 3 short clips. You tell me what you hear. Viewers, try to guess too. Clip 1, played. What you up to later?
That's, what are you up to later? Super common.
Clip 2, played. Let me grab a coffee first.
That's, let me grab a coffee first. Again, super fast, reduced.
Clip 3, played. Do you see that new movie?
That's, did you see that new movie? Classic casual question.
How did you guys do? It's okay if you missed some. Just play it back and try again. That's how you learn. Mason's advice, embrace the chaos.
Look, real English is messy. We interrupt each other, talk over background noise, use slang. You're not supposed to catch everything at first.
And that's okay. Don't be afraid of fast English. Lean into it. Play it on repeat. Laugh at your mistakes. Keep going.
I always tell people, if you understood nothing the first time and something the second time, you're making progress.
Tools to help you train. Here are some free and easy tools to help you understand faster. YouTube Shorts or Reels, fast, real, native speech. Podcasts like The Daily or Smartless, casual and fun. Songs with lyrics, great for rhythm and pronunciation. TED Talks, clear and emotional.
Also, record yourself. Say a native sentence, record your version, compare both. You'll notice how you improve in just a week.
Final truth, you're closer than you think. Before we wrap up, here's something important.
Understanding fast English is not about being perfect. It's about building confidence and tuning your ear with practice.
You don't need to understand every word. You just need to understand the message. And that's a skill anyone can build.
And honestly, if you've watched this far, you already have what it takes.
So here's what I want you to do right now. No excuses. Start with one video, one clip, one scene. Shadow it. Pause. Repeat. Do it for 5 minutes today, then do it again tomorrow.
The fast English that feels confusing today, it won't always feel that way. You just have to keep showing up.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English Power. We're here to help you speak, hear, and feel confident, no matter where you are in your journey.
You've got this. Seriously, don't wait. Start now.
See you in the next video.